everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is a Tesco haul. I have done the click and collect, so on my way home from work I've just been and collected my food shop. I just like doing it that way, it's just far more convenient for me and fits into my life a lot better. So that is why I look like this, an absolute mess. But I'm going to tell you what meals I've planned in for this week and then show you what I've picked up from Tesco. One of the meals is a sausage casserole, which is from a Pinch and On book. I'm also planning to do a spaghetti bolognese with some veg, a sweet and sour pork with rice and veg, and then a pork dinner, and then a chicken stew and dumplings, which is also from a Pinch and On book. I will just quickly show you the Pinch and On book that I'm using, which is this one, the Quick and Easy book. So page 122 and page 132 is the two recipes for this week's meals. If you haven't watched my hauls before, you will notice that I don't have any meat or fish within this haul. I'm not a vegetarian or anything like that. We just buy our meat from the butchers and our fish from the fishmongers. So yeah, that's why there is none of that in this haul. So I will quickly move on and show you what items I picked up. So in no particular order, I've got some raspberries and blueberries which I like to use with my natural yoghurt for pack up for work. Some mushrooms, I've got some leeks. The leeks are for the chicken stew. I've got some of the Muller Lite Chocolate Fix orange flavour. If you are following the slimmer mode, then these are 4 sins on the plan. I do think they're worth it though, they are very indulgent. I've got some baby spinach, a Savoy cabbage and a broccoli for the pork dinner that I'm going to have. I've got some sliced mixed peppers which are frozen. Just because of how often I use peppers in my recipes, I always go for the frozen ones so that they last longer. I've got a mixed bag of veg. If I'm coming to the end of the week and I haven't got any fresh stuff left, then at least I've got this as a backup in the freezer. I got some spinach and ricotta tortelloni. I really enjoy this with some passata. It's a nice, quick, easy one to do for a quick pack up for work. So I like to just make sure that I have one in the fridge just in case I can't be bothered to cook or if some of my meals don't have leftovers. While I was on the spinach, this sort of popped up. So it's some feta and spinach pastries. I don't know, they just looked and sounded really nice, so I thought I would try them. Also, these Plant Chef Cumberland style bangers are a substitution. I can't remember which ones I actually went for, but I just wanted to try them and yeah, see what they're like. So that is why they're on my haul. I got a 12 pack of large eggs. I also got some Muller Lite smooth toffee, so I've got 6 toffee flavours. And then I've got some long grain rice, some basmati rice, whole grain and peeler rice. So I also picked up some white marshmallows. These are for my hot chocolates on an evening. I do also make down a hot chocolate as well, so yeah, I needed to stock up on some more of them. I got some more of the Tesco baby wipes. Obviously, if you've watched my hauls before, you know that these are for the dog. We just keep some in the car as well and they come in really handy. I've got some smart apples for work, a bunch of loose bananas for work. Got some passata, I got 2 of those, just because of how much I use these in my meals. I've got 2 loose onions and I've got the fat-free Greek style natural yoghurt which I like to have with my blueberries and raspberries. I've also got some pears and I've got some of the perfectly imperfect potatoes. I've also got 2 of the Uncle Ben's sweet and sour no added sugar jars, another packet of apples and some oranges. I've also got 4 salted caramel and chocolate hot cross buns. They've not had these in stock for ages, so I thought that they'd stop doing them, but they've got them back. So I've got a 4 pack of these, which I do enjoy. So when I've been out for a run, I will help myself to one of these. I also picked up a flump. Dan has eaten his already. A 4 pack of chopped tomatoes, some Vimto no added sugar, dark soy sauce. I had fish cakes and rice the other day and I just put some of this onto my rice. It was beautiful. Home Pride pasta bake. This is the creamy tomato and cheddar. I don't think I've tried that one, but the weather at the moment is making me like crave comfort food. So yeah, that is what like my meals kind of are this week, comfort food. I've got some of the red velvet hot cross buns as well. These have got white chocolate, dark chocolate and soft cream cheese in them. I picked these up for Dan, but I didn't actually read like what else is in them, so I'm not sure if they're going to be a bit too sickly for him. I also got some Tetley green tea. I don't know what it is about this green tea, but it's the only one that I really enjoy. So I just wanted some more so that while I'm at work I can just pop this into my travel mug, and I just really enjoy it. So that's why I got them. I've also got some butter beans in water. This is for one of the recipes, but I can't remember which one. For my hot chocolates, I also picked up some more squirty cream. For Dan, I got him some Rose's lemon and lime marmalade, and also some golden shredded marmalade as well. I also picked up some Home Pride self-raising flour. These, that's to make some dumplings with. So the last few bits now, I picked up some baking powder. This is to make the dumplings from the Pinch and On block. Some more of the Lotus Biscoff spread. We just go through this so quickly. I love to have it with my ready brec, and Dan just likes to eat it straight from the jar. This was something new that I saw, so I thought I'd pick it up for Dan to try. It's the Northern Monk Wasted Hot Cross Bun Pale Ale. I've got absolutely no idea what this is going to be like, but hopefully he likes it. I also picked up some more Alpenlight bars, so I went for the salted caramel and white chocolate raspberry and shortcake. These were still £1. I picked up some of the Tesco Cosmic Whips, which are like their version of a Milky Way, and then I also got some of the Pink Panther wafers as well. I got some reduced fat cheddar already grated, and then a meat and cheese like little snacking thing. This was on offer with those feta pastries, but now that I've seen it up close, it's not really something that I think I'm going to enjoy, but luckily Dan absolutely loves this kind of thing, so he'll get through that. I got some toilet rolls, which I am a little bit annoyed about because they have changed the packaging. So you used to get 9 rolls and now you only get 6. Apparently they're meant to be longer rolls, like thicker rolls, but I just think it's all lies. And yeah, so more toilet rolls. And then I also picked up some of the Tesco Tropical Sunshine washing powder as well. So that was my Tesco haul. There's something very important missing from my haul this time, and it's some milk. And I could just nip and pick some more up. I'm not desperate for it at this moment. But yeah, one of the essentials I have missed off this shop. So that has been everything in today's Tesco haul. Please let me know in the comment section what items you have been loving from Tesco so that I can maybe put them onto my shopping list next time. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. But for now, goodbye.